Hello and welcome. Today our Legalraasta team will teach you each and everything about ROC. Every company incorporated in India must comply with ongoing government rules and regulations after incorporation. A private company is required to comply with the various laws and provisions under Companies Act 2013 and rules made thereunder. Registrar of Companies (ROC) is the designated authority that deals with administration of Companies Act 2013 and it falls under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The entire companies incorporated under the Companies Act 2013 are mandatory to file various forms, returns and documents with the Registrar of Companies in an electronic mode within the prescribed time along with the prescribed fees. To avoid all penalties and fines, it is mandatory to comply with all compliances applicable to your company. The Legalraasta team will guide you for all these compliance required to be completed since from its incorporation. What are the inclusions of this? First, compliance by director. Second, auditor's appointment. Third, board report. Fourth, annual return. Fifth, update of statutory registers. Sixth, drafting of notices, minutes. Seventh, annual filing and its documentation. What are the documents required for ROC? First, balance sheet is required to be filled by the companies having share capital and not having share capital. Second, Form 23 AC needs to be filled in XBRL format. Third, profit and loss account is required to be maintained by the companies having share capital and not having share capital. Fourth, Form 23 ACA is required to be filled in XBRL format. Fifth, annual return needs to get filled only by the companies having share capital. Form number 208 needs to get filed. Sixth, under Form 21A, annual return needs to get filed by those companies which do not have share capital. Seventh, compliance certificate is required to be filed by those companies having share capital. Form 66 is required to be filed. So let's talk about what are the steps. First, a person should be having a good internet connection and after that form should be downloaded first. Second, the next step will be to enter your corporate identity number, that is CIN, and then press pre-fill button. Third, an e-form will get open up. You are required to fill that form and attach necessary documents. Fourth, the size of e-form should not exceed 2.5 MB. All the attachments and documents are required to be less than 2.5 MB. Fifth, additional attachments sheet must be filed if your documents exceed the limit of 2.5 MB. Sixth, after filing all the required documents, press check fill button. If any of your form is not attached properly, the system will give you an alert message. Seventh, the next step is to give your digital signature certificate. Click on the sign button and affix your signature. Eighth, click on pre-security option. The system will alert you if your file has any error. If not, then you can go further with the process. Ninth, once your pre-security is done, system will lock it. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. Our mission is to offer affordable, quick, and automated professional services to clients Through technology, we bring numerous government or legal forms at one place and have simplified them to be fully understood by common man. Legalraasta.com is a one destination for your legal matters relating to forming any type of business entity like private, limited company, LLP, etc., filing individual and company return, helping on company compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. So, log on now at legalraasta.com or call now 875 000 8585. You can also mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.